Okay, so we're in North York, Bayview, and 401. So this customer, they were spending about $600 on their utilities, and we were able to put solar panels, 32 of them, and completely offset their bills. And solar panels are up there. We can go check it out. The connections come, and this is the inverter, basically changing, solar energy, which is DC, into AC power because homes use AC power. So this customer, they went everything, their heating, their cooling, their they have a pool at the back. It's all being heated by electric. So this is a heat pump. We have the Bosch heat pump here. There's their heating and cooling, again, completely off gas, except for the tankless. They wanted to do an electric tankless, but they were spending way too much. So they decided to go with the gas. And this is the pool. And the pool is obviously being heated by a heat pump, which will go to the back. Yeah, so basically running their heating, their cooling costs, and everything is going to be offset by the solar. And like I mentioned, they were spending about $600, and now they're spending about 300. And right here is not a lot of people have these. If you have a pool, a lot of people have. They used to have a gas, but this is actually a heat pump water heater, a pool heater. So instead of using gas, using heat pump technology, which is all electric, and obviously they're offsetting that cost with solar. So we'll go up and we'll take a look at the view from up there. So one thing particular that the customer wanted here was to not have any screws on the roof. So what we ended up doing was put weights, which was qualified for these racking system. And as you can see, we've placed them underneath to secure them on the roof. And you probably see this shading area. So this loses the efficiency of the panel, but the customer, the homeowner, is going to trim some of these leaves so that he can get more of the sun, and also over there as well. So this was kind of explained to him before, and he knows, and he's the one actually who suggested that we take off more branches. But that's it, guys. So 34 panels, completely offsetting heating, cooling, pool heater, in-floor heating that they have, which is all electric. No gas except for the tankless. And you will see on the panels at the side of the house there, this is what we can do for you as well. So if you have high bills, anything above $300, we can offset it. So hit us out. Thank you.